Hello guys, welcome once again. This is God Sway, popularly known as Sway Baby, and I'm coming to take you through Photoshop tutorials. So, in the first place, we have to get our Photoshop download before we can do anything. And to do that, I will first open my browser, and the browser I want to use is Microsoft Edge. So I've clicked on it and it's loading. Okay, I have my browser opened now. So I'll go to the website. I usually download my software in Get into PC. So I'll type in Get into PC. Get, sorry, getintoPC.com. It's a very good website. They have almost every software for PC. Alright, we have our website opened now. So what we have to do is we type in the software we want to download, which is Photoshop, into the search bar, then we search for it. Okay, I already have Photoshop here. So downloading Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop CC2018. Okay, we click on search. It's loading. All right, we have our Photoshop, our search results out now. So we have different type of Photoshop, which is the version CC2018. So I'll first click on the first one. So you have this. You click on it, then it's load. We have our Photoshop load. So what you have to do with this website, you when you click on then it's load, you will scroll down to the bottom, then there you'll find the download link there. So we have this. So we have we have the download link for 32-bit and 64-bit. So before you download, you first check whether your PC is 32-bit or 64-bit. So to check for the operation system type you are using, whether it's 32 or 64, you go to my computer, and to do that, I just show you the shortcut for my computer, which is Windows E. So let me do this quickly for us to look at it. Windows E. Oh, I think it's taking ages. Okay, I open this folder. All right, we have. I go to my this PC. That's where my computer is. So this is my computer. So I right click on any empty space there. Sorry, I right click on any empty space and go to properties. It's loading. Okay, so it pop-ups. So I have this is my operating system type is here, which is 64-bit, exactly here, 64-bit. So if I'm to download, let me close this and close this too. Back to the website. If I'm to download, I have to download the 64-bit. So all what you have to do is you just click on it. It will open another tab which will load. From here you won't do anything, you just wait for it to load itself. When it is done, it will start downloading automatically. So let's just look at this. You see that it will start downloading. It's still loading now. It's still loading. Okay, it's still generating the download link for us. We have to exercise patience. Okay. Okay. Okay, as you can see at the bottom here, it has finished generating the download link and it's downloading automatically, or I'll have to pause the download because I have this set up already on my PC. So let me cancel the download even. Okay, I've cancelled it. So with that, after you finish downloading it, it will be a WinRAR or Power ISO file, and maybe if you click on it, it will ask you for password, and this is the password. So put it in mind that anytime you download any software from getintoPC.com, it will ask for password, and the default password for it is 123. So please don't forget. Okay, all right. Thank you very much, and this is where we are ending our tutorials. After that, you have to install the software, you extract it and you install it, and after you finish installing, you have to get something like this interface. This is our Photoshop interface. You get this, and we don't have to make this our video very long, so we'll end here. Then the next video we'll continue from there. Please, we plead with you that you click the like button and subscribe to our channel so that we get more videos in for you. We hope to see you again. This is Sweet Baby. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your time a lot. Bye.